Hello dear students, in today's two-part video, I'm going to explain the difference between ECRs and SCRs. ECRs are nothing but longer essays, extended constructed response. So this is actually a 2024 STAR exam question paper. This is how your ECR question is going to look. Essay, write your essay in the empty box below. Let me read the question. Read the selection from the tails from Watership down based on the information in the selection. Write a response to the following. Explain how El Herrera's kindness helps him throughout the selection. Now, this is how the question is going to look. It's going to state this over here, and then it's going to say, remember to clearly state your central idea, organize your writing, develop your ideas in detail, use evidence from the selection in your response, use correct spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and grammar, manage your time carefully so that you can review your selection, plan your response, write your response, revise and edit your response, and write your response in the box provided. Now, here is one hint. This is how the question for an ECR will look like. It's going to be detailed, it's going to be elaborate, same way. Right over here, when you look, it says character is 0 out of 2300. That means the maximum number of words that you can use for this answer is 2300. That means you have to use enough number of words to explain or answer this question. Next, most of the students or schools use a technique to answer this ECRs called as races. Races is the most common technique, but different schools and different students use different techniques as well. In this video, I'm going to shortly explain what races technique is. Races, that is RACES. R stands for restating the question, A stands for answering the question, C stands for citing evidence, E stands for explaining the evidence, and S stands for summarizing. So when I'm restating the question, I would be El Herrera's kindness helps him throughout the selection. And then I'm going to answer the question, how I know that it helps others, because he has been kind and he has provided advice to animals and birds. And I can see it from the selection over here. You can just rewrite it in your own words. Then I have to cite evidence. So whenever I'm citing evidence, it's important that I include, for example, in paragraph 5, you're getting the evidence directly from the text. You're citing it from the text. Then again, another clue is in paragraph 11. So I have to use 2 evidences basically for my answer and make sure that you cite directly from the passage. In the end, when you're summarizing, you're going to write, you're starting the sentence with in conclusion, and then you're going to summarize everything that you have basically written from the top until the body passage, and it has to include everything in a summarized version. So races is the technique that is most commonly used, and if you use it correctly, you're definitely going to earn 5 points for the ECR question. I hope this helps.